In this video, I am going to show you how to fix your Epson WorkForce 7820 printer printing lines. So there may be horizontal or vertical lines, and to fix that, go to the printer display panel, select settings, maintenance, and we have to do the printhead alignment, vertical line or ruled line alignment or horizontal alignment. So we'll do both one by one. So click on the start. On this sheet you have to select the pattern with no gap, and you have to enter those values on that side. For example, for the first, I can see -001. You have to select a very straight line in both of these options. Click on the done. So vertical alignment is done. Go to the main display panel and click on the printhead alignment and select horizontal alignment. Start. So in the horizontal alignment, we have to find a pattern without any gap where the rectangle is very smooth. For example, I can see the 00 is best in it. So click on the done and click close. So this will remove any line that comes in your print and it will print normally. Thanks for watching.